Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all well. So in today's episode of Let's Talk Creps, we're going to be talking about the Converse CDG Steel Grey in the low colorway. Now if you're new to the channel, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing. I upload every Saturday, and with that all being said, let's jump straight into this video. Okay, so just a little bit of history about the shoe before I get into it like I always do. Inside the box we have the Converse CDG Low in the steel grey colourway. Came in this nice Converse boxing with the heart and eyes logo and the CDG written down there as well. I've covered many of these CDGs in the channel already, and the story is the same with a lot of them. In the respect of, I don't know when exactly they released because they've released so many times, but what I do know is that this one here is, like I say, the steel grey colourway, and it's the other one to the dark quartz blue one that I've covered recently with the black and white heart with eye logo, which is the first time you've seen that in the shoes. Box labels there as I'm showing you. Colourway on this is the steel grey. Currently sitting on StockX for about £90 for this colourway, so readily available if you like what you see. With that being said, let's get into this a bit more. So shoes themselves, like I say, nice simple colourway, very similar to the other ones that I've covered, but just another colourway to be honest. So as you can see on the lateral side of the shoe, you have the black heart and eyes logo on the steel grey canvas. Has the nice rubberized aspects onto the toe box as well, and that standard sort of chuck risen sides and outsole with the All-Star license plate on the back. Insoles on these ones, same as the other, as I say before, really nice and padded. Converse always smash this. This is one thing that I always sing in Converse's praises for, is how padded their insoles are. Really comfortable, really easy to wear. So that's a really good selling point on their behalf. Yeah, but apart from that, I'll be honest, it is just a standard Converse Chuck Taylor in a different colourway, but nice nonetheless, simple and convenient. With that all being said, should we jump to some on foot? Okay, so that just about sums up today's video on this shoe. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please consider liking, commenting and subscribing. It's all free, it costs you nothing, and it helps me massively grow the channel. Also, comment down below if you've got any questions regarding this shoe or any other shoes I've covered on the channel. It's called Let's Talk Creps for a reason, so let's talk about them. But until next time, I hope to see you all in the next video.